In this video I would like to increase speed, so it means I would put here maybe here, so increasing speed. So it means the turtle has option speed, and I would like to put there a variable called speed. Okay, so it goes like this, but be careful, this is the variable which we created. Okay, this speed is a option which the turtle has. So maybe we could put here something like draw speed, maybe to be clear, and here we put here draw speed. Okay, so it means the speed, how quickly the turtle can draw. Perfect. But in this case the speed will be still the same, correct? So after that the speed is set. I would like to take a draw speed, and the draw speed increase by 1. Okay, and if you remember, you can use a shortcut or shortcode. It goes like this. So these two lines are the same. Okay, it's up to you which one you will use. So I will use this one because it's more professional, and the speed will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we will see where it stops. So I will run it. The speed is slow. Now it's okay, great. I think that the speed is higher and higher. Okay, so we can stay with it like this. To be honest, I don't know where is the limit, so we can check the documentation, but it's okay. If there is some limit, it will stop there. So I think if the limit is, for example, 10 or 15 or something like that, so the draw speed will be 15, and after that it will be 16, and I don't know what the 16 will does. Maybe the 15 will be still there. Okay, so the speed will be still very high. So it goes like this. I like it. Maybe I put here 200 times. Now we will see. It's slow. Speed up. Now that there is a constant speed, I guess, so there has to be some limit. Oh, perfect. Oh, I like it. So now you know how to put there a speed. So these guys, that was a random walk.